Hello and welcome to the video. Today I'll be sharing 3 great reasons to use MailerLite. It's easy to get started, and if you want to follow along, check the link in the description below. You can use it to sign up for a free trial or log into your account. First, MailerLite offers a clean and intuitive interface. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced marketer, you'll find it easy to create and manage your email campaigns. Second, MailerLite provides a generous free plan. With up to 1,000 subscribers and 12,000 emails per month, it's a fantastic option for those looking to get started without a hefty investment. Third, MailerLite's automation features are top-notch. You can set up workflows that automatically trigger based on subscriber actions, like signing up for your newsletter or making a purchase. Before we wrap up, I'd like to invite you to a free training session on how to build your email list while earning high-ticket commissions. My team and I have used this method to earn over $3,000 in commissions while growing our list for free. If you're interested, click the link in the description to sign up. Thank you so much for watching our videos. Your support means the world to us.